All right, I'm jumping right back into it. YouTube. I like to work on different shit and fuck with different cars here and there besides what I drive. So I'm helping my brother out with his, what you got, an 18 Charger, right?
Yes, sir, 18.
Yeah, you got an 18 RT, and we finna put a 392 rear end in it to increase his rear end from a 292.
268.
Oh, they got a 268, and you going with a what?
309.
With a 309 gear. So we finna do that. We already got it up on the ramps, on the jack stand. I got him down there taking the braces loose. You all know I still got my stinger. More content coming for that later on. I just gotta get some free time off at work as I'm essential. So that kind of sucks. Let y'all check out the tint he put on the lights. He did the muffler deletes on it also, but finna get going with it. And I'll come back after we get a few more things done to show you the progress. All right, guys, for the day, we didn't have much time. We got started a little late, and being an essential worker, I still got to go to work. But we got all the exhaust hangers down. You got one there where you see the empty bolt. One there, and I think I got it on there. That one right there that you see is empty. That's near the middle, near the variable exhaust valves. Same thing on this side, right next to the diff bolt. So we got that down. We got the drive shaft out. What's giving us issues is the slip-in exhaust. So we're gonna get back at that tomorrow. I got an idea about how to get that loose. But that's all we got done for today in about an hour and a half. And that'll be it for now till tomorrow. We're gonna get to this bolt, that bolt for the diff. From all the YouTube videos I've seen, they say just drop the diff down and then probably the axles loose. So I'm gonna do that and follow those, and then that's the last two axle bolts right there. Should be pretty straightforward after we do that. And if you're doing it yourself, don't forget that plug that you see there. Don't forget to unplug those for your variable exhaust valves, because it will pull those once you drop the exhaust. So go ahead and take those loose. And it's also push pin in right there on both sides. Each one got a push pin, so remember to take those loose after you unplug it also, because it almost pulled on his and stretched the wire. Don't want to do that, because I have no idea how long that harness is and how far back to go to try to fix it. So be sure to remember to take those two loose. All right, y'all, back to day 2. We've done a little bit of work today. We still couldn't get this exhaust loose, so what I went ahead and did was go ahead and stick a pry bar and pop the axle loose on both sides. And then when we left out, we already had all this loose, so we went in and took those diff bolts loose, dropped it down, and then we used these two. We'll loosen them till it get a little bit of gap in it, let's say about 1 inch of gap, and then we'll take the diff with a pry bar and push it forward. Just take the slack back out of the bolts and then do it all again. It took about 3 times of doing that, and the diff is now loose, and we're about to drop it and pull it out.
What you want me to hit with the lift it with the jack?
Yeah, lift it with the jack. See. Alright, go.
Keep going?
Yeah. No, come back down. Make it go back in.
About right there?
All the way down. shit, if you can take the whole jack and like pull it towards you,
Okay.
while I hold the axle. Yeah, go ahead and pull it. Pull it from up under there.
All right, so we're gonna get in the back and pull it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Just pull it on from up under it. All right, go ahead and pull it all the way out.
You want to do try to lift it in the front or something?
I'm trying to do something to free this axle. That's the issue right now. Axle in the way. All right, see, can you pick up on it?
Give me a shot, shit.
Pick up on it some more. All right, the axle free.
Okay. All right.
All right.
Try to pry this.
No, not yet.
Okay.
Trying to see if we got enough room to. It ain't on that valve.
Sean, you got the dog.
She right there.
Oh, yeah.
Let's sit the key on my trunk.
Put it back on the thing.
What?
Around the car. Put it down in the room.
Yeah, you can pull it back on the thing. Trying to get her some outside time. Shit. Trying to figure out which way to go. All right, see, can you, that front end
Yeah.
of the diff,
Yeah.
we straighten it back up. Let me know when you're ready.
1, 2, 3. Damn.
All right.
Right up.
Yeah.
All right. Now what?
This exhaust look like it might be the death for us. With this shit. Cause the damn ear of it hanging over. Alright, we're gonna try to pull it back towards you to suck it, get it back up in here.
Yeah.
And then if I can get this long part of the to drop up on the exhaust, then I can lift the exhaust above and slide all the way over.
All right, so you need me to goddamn, what you need to do?
Pick up the front and we're gonna pull it back towards this axle.
Oh, shit. I got you in position again. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
So pick it up and slide towards me.
1,
2, 3. Which way you need me to go?
What you say, Mom? The little part coming out, the pink one.
Okay.
That's gonna come on. You can let it, huh?
Okay.
Yeah. And then the little red and black one, that's the one you tie around, tie off. Let me see the pry-bar.
Yeah.
All right, now pull it towards you. Try to. All right. 1, 2, 3. All right. Try to swing it around the exhaust again.
You want me to try to pry it from my way? Think that should have worked?
Oh no, but okay.
All right, now what?
I think I might have got it up on the exhaust enough.
All right. Now what you want to do?
I guess if you can grab a bigger pry bar.
Alright.
So that we got more pry room to pry on it.
Alright. We got an oil leak in this bitch. Fast.
That bitch like right down on the edge.
So what you need me to do?
Alright. Pull on that axle.
Pull on it?
Yeah.
Nothing. Oh, it's out. It's out.
Push the deal.
Shit. I think he just turned that motherfucker.
Yeah, try to pull on it.
Yeah, still not.
Push up on the exhaust. Alright. Start leaking gear all everywhere.
Yeah.
Alright, YouTube, as you see, you can get it out. If you have an issue with the exhaust like us, not fun, but alright, this is a little fluid pump. You can get them, I only found them at O'Reilly's. In this particular way, you notice it's small thread and then bigger threads, and they usually thread onto any bottle that you get of gear oil, and you just simply pump it and it fits right on there. So once we get it up in there, I'm gonna pump it. Hopefully I have room because it's pretty tight back there. Should be able to do it something like that, have it all to the side, because that side butts right up to it. So that should give me enough room to get it up in there, and then be able to slip the little fill tube, where the pressure tube back on. All right, what we did, we went in with that one first, and then we kind of twisted around a little bit till we got that one to fall in. We just pulled the diff that way, then they gave us enough room to swing around, and then I just started jacking it up. Yeah, put it at a fucked up angle, but it's not gonna damage it. As you see, as I constantly lift with the jack, it straightens out. Probably gonna take my hammer and tap at it, but it straightens out. Show y'all that. Can't hold a camera and film, and for some odd reason, I guess I didn't clear my memory card, so I'm short on space and don't want to waste time doing that either. So that's it for now till we get finished with this part. Then we'll be right back and I'll show you right before we start tightening up the bolts. We didn't record finishing up everything today, but what we had left was the front clamps, the mid clamps to hang it right by the variable exhaust valves, then these rear clamps to hang the exhaust. So we had to put that up. We got the diff in yesterday after a lot of fucking struggle, but originally we had the passenger side axle in, we couldn't get the drivers in. So what we did was lower it back down, and then doing that, and popping the, we popped out the right axle for the passenger side, and when we did that and lowered it down, the driver's side slid in by itself. So we just raised it all the way back up, and then in doing that, I guess the pressure from it and tugging on it just slightly lined up and popped in. So that was good to go. We bolted that all up. Then we left it like that for yesterday because we ran out of light. Then this morning we got up to a shitload of rain. But we went ahead and put up a tarp with a little tent and got to it. Got all the braces back up. Everything bolted up. We just filled it with fluid and put the vent tube back on. And we're about to start jacking it down. Then we'll film a little bit of playing in the rain.
Yeah, clear. Yes, sir. Got the twin markies now, baby. No more bullshitting with these niggas, baby. That shit hard.